I'll try to show you what is happening. The second fan, just for the record, I have swapped the connectors, the two fan connectors, those two connectors. After some fight, after a new cuts on my hands, I was able to swap them. But the problem is this fan here. It's doing a weird sound. Yeah, this time it's not even spinning. The bad news is I'm gonna have to replace all the radiator set, because there's no way to replace just the fan. I don't know if it is possible to disassemble the fan without disassembling all this set. It's gonna be a mess. Anyway, that's it.